1. Chimpanzees share 98 to 99% of human DNA. 2. Chimpanzees live in complex social groups. 3. Chimpanzees use tools in the wild. 4. Chimpanzees are highly intelligent. 5. Chimpanzees communicate with gestures, sounds, and facial expressions. 6. Chimpanzees are omnivores. 7. Chimpanzees show deep emotional connections. 8. Chimpanzees are endangered. 9. Chimpanzees can live up to 40 to 50 years. 10. Chimpanzees play an important role in forest ecosystems. 10 things about chimpanzee. 1. Chimpanzees share 98 to 99% of human DNA. Chimpanzees are our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom, sharing an astonishing 98 to 99% of their DNA with humans. This close genetic connection explains why chimpanzees exhibit many behaviors similar to ours, such as using tools, showing emotions, and even developing complex social bonds. Studies have found that chimpanzees can learn basic sign language, solve puzzles, and display empathy. Their genetic similarity has also made them important subjects in medical and behavioral research, though modern ethics now heavily restrict such use. Understanding chimpanzee genetics helps scientists uncover more about human evolution, health, and disease. Despite these similarities, even small genetic differences have led to major differences in brain size, communication abilities, and bipedalism. Protecting chimpanzees is not only crucial for conservation but also for preserving a vital living link to our own past. 2. Chimpanzees live in complex social groups. Chimpanzees live in communities known as fission fusion societies, where group size and composition change frequently. These groups can range from just a few individuals to over 100 members. Within these societies, chimpanzees form close bonds through grooming, alliances, and cooperation, much like human friendships and social networks. Hierarchies play an important role, with dominant males, often called alpha males, leading the groups. Leadership isn't just about strength. It involves political maneuvering, forming coalitions, and even acts of generosity to maintain support. Female chimpanzees often have their own social circles too, centered around raising offspring and gathering food. Chimpanzees' social intelligence is remarkable. They remember individuals, recognize social ranks, and can hold grudges or reconcile after conflicts. Their societies mirror some aspects of human political and community life, revealing deep evolutionary roots for our own social behavior. 3. Chimpanzees use tools in the wild. Chimpanzees are one of the few animal species known to use tools naturally. In the wild, they fashion sticks to fish termites out of mounds, use leaves to soak up drinking water, and even craft spears for hunting small animals. This tool use showcases their problem-solving abilities, foresight, and dexterity. Young chimps learn tool use by observing and imitating older group members, a process very similar to how human children learn skills. Some populations have even developed unique, cultural differences in tool use, passing down techniques over generations. For instance, chimpanzees in West Africa use stone hammers to crack nuts, a skill requiring practice and precision. Such behaviors reveal that chimpanzees possess a kind of primitive culture, highlighting the beginnings of technological innovation. Observing chimpanzees using tools challenges earlier ideas that tool-making was unique to humans and shows how intelligent and adaptable these primates are. 4. Chimpanzees are highly intelligent. Chimpanzees demonstrate remarkable intelligence in many areas, including problem-solving, memory, empathy, and communication. In laboratory settings, some chimpanzees have learned to recognize hundreds of symbols, perform basic arithmetic, and even plan ahead. In the wild, they show an understanding of cooperation during hunting and defend their territories strategically. Studies have revealed their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness rare among animals. Memory tests have shown that some chimps outperform humans, especially in tasks requiring short-term memory. They also understand fairness to some extent. They may refuse to participate in tasks if they see others getting better rewards. Their emotional intelligence allows them to empathize with peers, comfort the distressed, and even engage in forms of play that require imagination. Chimpanzee intelligence blurs the line we often draw between humans and other animals, emphasizing how evolution shaped our shared cognitive roots. 5. Chimpanzees communicate with gestures, sounds, and facial expressions. Chimpanzees have a rich communication system that includes vocalizations, gestures, body postures, and facial expressions. They use specific calls to alert others about predators, find food, or rally for defense. Gestures like reaching out a hand can signal a request for grooming or reconciliation. Facial expressions such as a play face, relaxed open mouth, show happiness and invite others to play, while a bare teeth display might signal submission. Researchers have cataloged dozens of distinct gestures and vocal sounds used by chimpanzees, suggesting a kind of rudimentary language. Mothers even baby talk to their infants with softer, exaggerated sounds. While they don't have complex spoken language like humans, their ability to convey intentions, emotions, and even negotiate through these methods is extraordinary. Understanding chimpanzee communication not only reveals their social sophistication but also provides clues to the evolutionary origins of human language. 6. Chimpanzees are omnivores. Although often depicted as fruit eaters, chimpanzees are actually omnivores, meaning they consume a wide variety of foods, including fruits, seeds, leaves, insects, and meat. Their diets vary depending on what is available in their environment. Meat consumption, though less frequent, plays an important role in their social life. Groups of male chimpanzees often cooperate to hunt monkeys or small antelope, sharing the spoils afterward to reinforce social bonds. Insects such as termites and ants are a significant protein source, often extracted with the help of tools. Chimpanzees also show food preferences, sometimes walking long distances to reach favored fruiting trees. Mothers teach their young what to eat and how to obtain it, indicating cultural transmission of dietary habits. Their flexible diet has helped them adapt to a variety of habitats, from rainforests to savannas, demonstrating their remarkable ecological adaptability. 7. Chimpanzees show deep emotional connections. Chimpanzees form strong emotional bonds with family members and friends. They groom each other not just for hygiene but as a way to build trust and strengthen relationships. When a member of the group is injured or distressed, others often show concern, comfort them with gentle touches, or stay nearby. Chimpanzee mothers are deeply attached to their offspring, often carrying them for years and maintaining close bonds even into adulthood. Mourning behaviors have been observed when a chimpanzee dies. Others may stay near the body, gently touch it, or express visible sadness. These emotional connections reveal the depth of their social lives and suggest that the roots of human emotions like love, grief, and empathy are very ancient. Their capacity for emotional complexity highlights their similarity to humans and reinforces the importance of respecting and protecting them. 8. Chimpanzees are endangered. Chimpanzee populations are under serious threat from habitat loss, poaching, disease, and illegal wildlife trade. Their numbers have declined drastically over the past century, with some subspecies now critically endangered. Deforestation for agriculture, logging, and mining destroys their homes, while diseases like Ebola can wipe out entire communities. In some regions, chimpanzees are hunted for bushmeat or captured for the exotic pet trade, despite international protections. Conservation efforts focus on protecting habitats, enforcing anti-poaching laws, and educating local communities about the importance of preserving these intelligent primates. Sanctuaries and rehabilitation centers also work to rescue and care for orphaned or injured chimpanzees. Public awareness and support are crucial to ensure that future generations can still see chimpanzees living freely in the wild. Saving chimpanzees means preserving a key part of Earth's natural heritage, and a vital piece of our own evolutionary story. 9. Chimpanzees can live up to 40 to 50 years. In the wild, chimpanzees typically live to be around 40 years old, though individuals in captivity can sometimes live into their 50s or even 60s with medical care. Their lifespan is shaped by many factors, including food availability, predation, disease, and human impacts. As chimpanzees age, their roles within the group often change. Older individuals, especially females, may focus more on mentoring younger members rather than competing socially. Males may lose dominance as they get weaker, but their experience and alliances can still give them influence. Aging chimpanzees show signs similar to aging humans, such as arthritis and tooth wear. Understanding their aging process helps scientists draw parallels with human health and aging. In sanctuaries and research centers, older chimpanzees often receive specialized care to manage chronic conditions. The fact that chimpanzees live long lives adds to the complexity and richness of their social structures. 10. Chimpanzees play an important role in forest ecosystems. Chimpanzees are vital to the health of the ecosystems they inhabit. As they forage for fruits, they act as seed dispersers, helping to regenerate forests. Many plant species depend on animals like chimpanzees to spread their seeds over wide areas, promoting biodiversity and healthy forest dynamics. By consuming insects and occasionally hunting small animals, chimpanzees also help balance other populations within the ecosystem. Their movements create trails that benefit other wildlife, and their nests, constructed from branches and leaves high in the trees, can be used by other animals once abandoned. Protecting chimpanzees means protecting the broader forest environments that support countless species, including those important to humans for resources like clean air, water, and medicinal plants. In this way, chimpanzees are not just fascinating creatures. They are keystone species essential to the vitality of tropical forests, and by extension, the health of the planet.